Hi guys, Mr. Mackenzie here today. We're going to talk about teeth. One of the reasons is during the lockdown I have seen lots of people put on Twitter, is the tooth fairy allowed to social distance? How does the tooth fairy come in and collect your teeth? Well, I'm sure your parents have explained that to you. So lots of you are losing teeth at the moment. As a child you have your baby teeth, and they start to fall out between the years of year 1 and all the way up to year 6 and beyond. Then as we lose our baby teeth, we receive our permanent teeth. As you can see here, I've got a set of permanent teeth here. Some call them adult teeth. It's really important that we look after our teeth. If not, we can go to the dentists and end up in quite a little bit of discomfort and a bit of pain. We want our teeth to look a little bit like that, nice and healthy. So the teeth are nice and white and the gums are nice and white and they're nice and clean. We don't want them to look like my dad used to call them Norwich City teeth, and he calls them Norwich City teeth because they are green and yellow. So it's really important. We should brush our teeth at least twice a day. In the morning when we get up and in the evening before we go to bed. Also, when we're at home, we can brush them during that lunchtime as well as a third time if we've eaten some sugary snacks. You should brush your teeth for about 2 minutes. Up to 7, it might be worth getting your mum or your dad or your carer to give you a hand to brush and make sure they're nice and clean. After the age of 7, you should be really independent and be able to brush your teeth really, really well. You need a pea size, so like a green pea size of toothpaste onto your toothbrush. Pop it on. Don't fill it full. You don't need that much. You just need a small amount. This is obviously a jumbo sized toothbrush. And it needs to be a fluoride toothpaste. And also it needs to be about between 1,350 and 1,500 ppm. That will be on the packet. Check that out. Make sure you use a really good quality fluoride. When you start to learn to brush your teeth, a really good thing to do is maybe to get your mum or your dad or your little brother or sister to lay their head on your lap and have a really good look in their mouth. Because it will be very similar to your mouth. And it's really hard when we're learning to brush our teeth because we can't see inside our mouth. So have a look at somebody else's mouth and see all the different nooks and crevices and all those different areas that need cleaning. So you've got an idea of how to clean. So like I said, you need a pea-sized piece of fluoride toothpaste onto your tooth. Then you need to decide how you're going to clean your teeth. Something I always do, I start with the top and I clean the top first and then I go to the bottom. So I don't just go, ooh, because we forget and we miss bits. So I have a nice routine. I clean the top, I clean the inside first. I then clean the middle, and I then clean the outside. You can do whatever routine suits you best. Once I've cleaned the top, I then clean the bottom in the same way. I clean the outside, the inside first, the tops, and then the outside. Also, I make sure that I clean around the gum line to make sure I pick up any of that. It's really important that we don't brush too soft or we don't brush too hard. We don't want to damage our teeth at all. That will take you a little bit of time. Get your parents to give you a hand or your older brother or sister and get a really good routine. You should be brushing for about 2 minutes. Lots of toothbrushes have a timer, or you can get a stopwatch or a timer to help you do that. And please make sure that you've really checked through your mouth before you stop. The main cause of tooth decay and dental problems is your diet. Eating too many sugary drinks or sugary snacks will affect your teeth. That's just a fact. Not eating enough calcium-based foods or healthy foods will affect your teeth. What happens is the sugar is broken down, the sugar and the acid stay in your teeth and they start to decay it. And the problem that will be is that it becomes quite painful when you have poor teeth. The other thing is, if you brush your teeth really badly, you will also get problems with your teeth. Now we all know that we need to go to the dentist probably every 6 to 9 months. Now, lots of people say, I don't like going to the dentist. The dentist's job is to help us to make sure that our teeth don't look like that our teeth look like this. And they will give us some advice and some top tips. Okay, so that's a really quick go through your teeth and give you some top tips and advice. Have a look up on the Change for Life site, all about good dentistry and good teeth management. What I'd like you to do, can you find out how many baby teeth you have? How many permanent or adult teeth do you have? The teeth, each different teeth, as you can see, they're slightly different in size and in thickness. They do a different job. Can you name me, so the teeth have names, can you name me different names of different teeth? And can you tell me what those teeth actually do? So what do the teeth at the back do? What do the teeth at the front do? What do the teeth in between do? What do the teeth at the front, at the top do that the bottom don't do? So teeth have names. Can you give me those names? Can you tell me their job? Also, can you find out what is plaque? And is plaque a good thing or is plaque a bad thing? So have a look, get on the website, ask your adult, find out some information about teeth. It's really important that we start looking after our teeth from when we're young, so that when we're older, we've still got a really nice set of teeth.